We're on the Great Northern Highway. We're heading south. We've had to make a little bit of a change to our existing plans. Originally, we had planned that after our stop at Lake Argyle, we would stop at Canonara for a couple of nights in the caravan park. It's really nice warm weather this weekend, so we're going to spend a couple of days in the caravan park enjoying the water facilities and get ourselves prepared to leave the caravan and take the tent and the car out to visit the Bungle Bungles. But Mother Nature has had a change of heart on us, and the beautiful clear skies that we've had apparently is going to change for rain. So there's a few warnings around at the moment for areas of the Kimberleys with rain that's going to start in the next 48 hours or so. So we've changed our plans. We're going straight to Warman. We've arranged with a different caravan park that we leave our van at the Bungle Bungle caravan park. Yep. And then
hightail it into the Bungle Bungles.
So we were sort of planning on having time to get ourselves organised to transition from the van to the tent, think about clothes, food, what we need to take, but we're going to have to just wing it and grab what we need. We've sort of worked out that when we unhitch the van, we're going to have about 10 minutes to grab what we need from the van, chuck it in the car, and yeah, as Brett said, hightail it up to the campsite before it gets dark. So, fingers crossed, our plan works, and see how we go.
Stay tuned. Left the Bungle Bungles caravan park, and now heading to the Bungle Bungles.
Left our poor van behind. I feel like we've left a child behind.
Yeah, we just quickly transferred all our bits and pieces into our car. Just talking to the guys next to us, and they reckon it took them 2 hours to get back from the Bungle Bungles. And he reckons it's the worst road he's ever driven on, so we'll be able to compare it to what we've driven on, and we'll let you know.
Tyre pressures are down to 30. We've let them right down because we haven't got the van on, so we're even lighter now than normal.
Yeah, so we dropped them down to 30. I didn't go any more than that. Like, the only reason I went down that low, I think, is because he was telling me it was really bad. So we'll wait and see, and might have to make an adjustment, but hopefully not. Hopefully 30 is enough. And
yeah, stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
We literally threw everything that we needed out of the van into the car, so stay tuned for what we forgot that we needed.
It's a very windy little road. Lots of bumps. But overall, so far, it hasn't been too bad. After talking to that guy, I was expecting like something crazy, but maybe that's yet to come. But this is just pretty well just a rough bit of road.
Could get interesting. We've arrived at camp, ready to go. Now we're going to set up our tent for the first time.
Okay.
And we've got about 6 minutes of light left.
And we're at camp number 69.
Let's see if we're laughing again in 5 minutes when we do our tent. 5 minutes? How long is it going to take?
I got no idea.
Okay. All right.
I made the bed, Rose cooked dinner, and it's quite good. Just a dirt road, there's a couple of little river crossings. Yeah, okay, it was rough in points, and it had corrugation, but it was...
I think the worst part of it was that there were lots of ups and downs and lots of tight corners. It wasn't straight stretches where you could get any speed.
Yeah, like we sat on probably about 40, got up to maybe 50.
Which was the speed limit anyway.
Yeah, and then, yeah, it was, you know, we lowered our tyre pressures down, we were down to 30 on front and back. So the ride over the corrugations was smooth. That's all I recommend if you were to do it. Lower your tyre pressure down, and it's just keep your speed up. You're just going slow on corrugations. It is really horrible. You've got to get on top of them. If you're not on top of them, you're just going to bounce up and down. Yeah, but it was, yeah, I found it quite good. You know.
Tomorrow we'll wake up and hopefully be greeted by the beautiful Bungle Bungles. End of the park.
This is the palms one.
Mini palms.
Mini palms? Yeah, mini palms.
So it's about 4.4 k's return. A couple of hours. It's going to be hot today, so we're up early. Get this done.
Yeah, Rowan was kicking and screaming.
Some things I'm good at and there's some things I'm not good at. Beat the heat, beat the rain, and then yeah, do a couple of other walks after that.
Oh, just little rocks, and they're all just sort of stuck together. You can see it all. It's like it's being concreted. Watch your head straight. We could have squeezed through there. No, I didn't squeeze through there. Alright, let's see if we'll squeeze through here. Probably why they say it takes 2 hours.
It's only 2 kilometres. Okay, I better focus then.
Okay, so I've been handed the reins because Rowan has got to concentrate on walking. Apparently she thinks I'm safe with the camera, not. So she can go first. She just thought about that. I don't know, there's a little arrow there, so just see a little arrow, you just keep going up. Yeah, we'll keep going forward. Alright, so yeah, this isn't for someone who's got sore hip or knees or ankles. It's not really the ideal spot. You see, Rowan is... Yeah, you're really climbing. Yeah. You can see all these little boulders we've got to go over.
There is an arrow, we are on the right track.
We've got an arrow.
Okay, I think I will video and you can lead. This is way too risky.
Okay. Oh, sorry, I'll slow down a bit. Yeah, that's
the track.
And then looking up. Oh my god.
I'm going to take my sunglasses off.
Nice and cool. She's
I'm rolling up.
she's rolling her sleeves up, so that it's getting serious.
Alright, I'll walk a little bit more in front.
You might be able to squeeze through there. Yeah, there's a few like I said, little wedges. I don't know if I'll get through there with my backpack on. I don't think I'll get through that with my backpack. I might just pass you the camera. Because I'll take my backpack off. My belly might squeeze through. So yeah, I'll tell you, if you had a little bit of a belly on you, you'd have to really
Breathe
suck it in. No way I was going to get through with my backpack on.
Just need to lean on it.
It flexes. Yeah, don't be careful.
I'm starting to sense why this is called the mini palms trail.
Things I do for my wife. And now I know why she wanted to come valley of the palms or whatever it is. Seriously? Okay.
So, this morning we've done our palm walk. We're now going for a walk to the Echidna Chasm. And we did get some inside information yesterday off some people about how to see it at its best. So we'll see
See how we go.
If they were right. So apparently a lot of people that come here don't get to see the sun coming through the chasm. So hopefully these people haven't given us a wrong steer and we get to see the colours change. But for now we've just got a nice moderate walk, soft sand, slight incline, lots of pretty birdies. So we've kept walking past the first area, up through the rocks. Apparently, this is the spot. Even if it's not the right spot. Yeah, the stairs all here, so just imagine this one's the water. Path's getting a lot more narrow now. Hey? That's the end of the track. But we can see up through there. Alright, so we're going to go find a campsite now and set up our tent and camp again for the night. Just going through a cute little creek crossing, or dry creek crossing here. Hopefully it stays dry while we're here. Yeah, go and set up our tents and our camp for the night. It's 3 o'clock, so we've got a couple of hours of daylight left, so hopefully we can be a bit more civilised today with our setup. Have some dinner and think about the tomorrow and reflect on today. Because we woke up this morning.
No power, no Starlink, no
Wi-Fi.
no no phone calls, nothing. So
Our battery is dead in the canopy. So my theory of, oh well, if we got stuck out here, we've got enough food, that'll be fine. It's gone out of the window because stuck out here with minimal food and no Starlink.
oh, imagine what would happen.
We would not be coming home. So we've got to get out of here.
One of us would anyway.
Last person standing.
Yeah.
We've got to get out of here before it rains and get our battery sorted out. I'm so devastated. But anyway, it's okay. It's just part of the experience.